I'm your host Arbuda. Today we are talking about a very special photography exhibition. It's called Let's Rebuild Ladakh. In order to rehabilitate the residents of Ladakh, this photography exhibition was recently held. So let's have a look at the photographs. On the 5th of August 2010, at 2:15 in the morning, the skies opened and poured disaster over Leh. The water came rushing down and carried along with it the mountains and resulted in what can be called the greatest catastrophe in the history of Leh Ladakh. In an area that received less than 5 millimeters of rainfall in a year, a decade's quota packed into 15 minutes spelled doom, not for just the residents and tourists, but also the irreducible landscape of Leh.
We'd gone there last year, and in fact all the photographers have been to Ladakh at different times, and we had a collective idea that let's pay back to them. Today when they are coming, they are going through a difficult time, so through our photography, if we can raise some funds and if we can do something for them, so it will be a small contribution from our side.
The exhibition called Let's Rebuild Ladakh is a fundraising photography exhibition for Ladakh catastrophe victims.
We stayed there, we interacted with people, and the people over there are very hospitable, they're very kind. They're not, they're in their own world. It's a beautiful place, and I must say, people should go to Ladakh because travel is one way in which they can also get help. Their economy can get help if more and more people visit the place.
In order to rehabilitate the Ladakh residents, the money from the sold prints will directly go to Ritanjali, an NGO, which is continuously involved with the relief work in Ladakh. Only the actual cost is retained by the photo artists.
I personally like pictures which have people in it. So, but I have a combination of both. People pictures are also there, and landscape pictures are also there. And I've tried not to take all my landscapes are different because they're not typical spots. So I've tried to showcase places which are not the usual spots as such. So they are the locations which come in between somewhere, or like that.
The photographers who participated in the show were Munish Khanna, Hemant Sood, Sanjay Nanda, Amit Bhatia, and Munish Kaushik.
It is Let's Rebuild Ladakh. It's about rebuilding Ladakh. We all know that what happened on the night of 5th of August over there. So we are all touched by what all has happened over there, and being a person who has gone there and spent some time over there, it's our moral responsibility that we do something for them.
Munish, an expertise technology worker from IBM, a creative multifaceted and talented person who has won accolades in many forms of art-related education. Photography had been his hobby since childhood, and now it became a never-ending passion and a part of his persona.
Ladakh is a place which you have to feel it. I mean, experience was just amazing. It's beyond limits. When someone, it's like you go there and everybody comes and says, Jule, Jule. Jule is like, say hello, hello, hi, goodbye, good evening, good afternoon. Everything is Jule. And it's like wonderful. You're not staying in hotels, you're doing homestays over there, you're interacting with the people over there. And it's like, like a family relationship. You build your relationship over there. It's very easy to build relationship over there. Yeah, it's a wonderful place, wonderful people.
Manish Khanna, who in the photography circuit is known as one of the most versatile and innovative photographers. Trained in digital photography in New York, Manish continues to work on complex assignments in various fields. His photographs and concepts appear with certain regularity in nearly all leading national as well as international magazines and books. He is actively involved in teaching photography to people from all over the world at his academy. He has been featured in prestigious Phase One website and has been a part of several exhibitions.
We were there in Ladakh on the last 5th of September last year, and this photograph was taken then, and it's the photograph of Pangong Lake, and it's a usual sight to see a stone upon stone structures over there in Ladakh. What people do is, being high mountainous passes, they pray a lot with the Lord because they keep driving, and it's risky to keep driving on those passes at those heights. So what they do is they make small structures by keeping stone upon stone, and they worship them by saying Kiki so so Larialo, means hey God save us, kind of thing. So this structure depicts this, and in the background you have a beautiful Pangong Lake.
So this was Let's Rebuild Ladakh. It's time for a very short break in this edition of Expressions. We'll be back in a while. Till then, you don't go anywhere.